Get a 1/2-inch socket and loosen up the 2 bolts that hold the brake caliper on. Take the brake caliper off. And right here you got one on the top and then one down there. They pull out. And you're going to clean these up and then put new grease in there and make sure that you use high temp grease for disc brakes. Same thing on the bottom. Pull it out. Clean it up. Put it back in with the high temp grease to help stop the brakes from wearing unevenly. Roll up a paper towel and stick it in the hole, and then you're going to twist it around to help clean it up in there. You can also put a Q-tip in there if you want. Also got some brake cleaner that I'm going to spray in there. Clean that up. Then take the grease gun to squirt a little grease inside both of the holes. Clean up the brake pad tracks with the brake cleaner. Put the new pads on. A little hard because it got grease in there. Just keep pushing and they'll go in eventually. See now they're nice and greasy. Same thing for the bottom one. Nice and greasy. They're moving nice and easy. Moving back and forth nice and easy now. Okay. Now we're going to reinstall the brake caliper. Spray out the inside of the brake caliper too with the brake cleaner. Then you refasten the 2 bolts, one here, one down there, and that's it. Then your brakes shouldn't wear unevenly anymore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.